three basic components of color theory. First is hue, second saturation, and third brightness. Hue is simply a color. It's like when we talk about hue, we're talking about a color like green, blue, red. So it's just a color itself. Saturation is the purity and intensity of a color. Like if we say the color is highly saturated, we are saying that the color looks bright and strong. And if you're saying that the color is less saturated, then we are saying that the color looks dull or faded. So it's just simply telling us how pure and intense a color is. Brightness is simply about how light or dark a color is. Like if we say the color is bright, then it is lighter. It's almost like it's shining. And if we say that the color is darker, then we are saying that it's dark, it's not getting much light. For more information, please read the captions. And if you have any confusions regarding this hue, saturation, and brightness, then please connect with me on the DMs and we'll discuss about it. Thank you and see you next time.